Hey guys, come with us backpack in the Alaska wilderness. We'll be exploring waterfalls and having a great time. Woo!
They're getting their stuff out of the back, and I'll see you on the trail. Oh.
They kind of limits out.
There's a beaver dam right there, and there's one over there. And a river.
If you guys can see that, it's pretty far.
And a river.
And the river. Robert out here being a good boyfriend.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Snookum.
Part 2 of Robert doing his thing.
He didn't tie it well enough the first time.
What is that?
It's where you're like backpacking.
I know the beaver dam.
Yeah, you're backpacking.
So Marin has some really informative information about Alaskan flowers that are coming up.
Okay.
She didn't even know that.
Let me show you. Well, now I'm sharing. Okay, an Alaskan flower. It's purple. These, wait, there we go. These guys, they're called lupin flowers, and they're extremely poisonous if you eat them.
Bridge! Woo! Holy shit!
Eating random berries in the Alaskan wilderness.
Will we survive? We don't know. We're trying to decipher if we're actually in Lord of the Rings or Alaska right now.
That's so boring.
Hey vlog, made it to the waterfall. We're at a little over 2 miles. Hey guys, we're so high up, we're in the clouds. Look, here we go. There's Robert.
So we may have lied about where the boulder hopping is. Robert brought up a great point saying it's up here.
2.5 miles.
2.5 miles in.
Not stand on the wet rocks.
Say it again.
Not stand on the wet rocks.
Robert almost died.
Are you waiting? He's a word. TikTok. What?
So, it's July up here in Alaska, and there's still snow on the ground. Actually, a surprising a bit. Quite a bit.
You always gotta pack out what you pack in. Okay? No litter bugs.
It's not cool, guys.
Keep our nature nature.
What they said.
Keep our rocks rocks.
And our dirt dirt.
Yeah. Super cool spider web here.
Hey vlog. We are just hit 3 miles, and okay, look at the water. Oh, it is so. Oh, they tough. They tough.
Mad tough.
Come solo female backpacking with me in Alaska. I met these two things. I think they're called men. That one's my boyfriend. We're gonna go swimming in the alpine lake.
Like once I do it, I'm just gonna want to like. This is so cool.
I don't know where we are. We're lost.
It's gotten even foggier, as you can see. We found Lower Lake, it's down there, and we're looking for a campsite. Hey chat, made it to the campsite.
Okay, this is actually pretty cool.
We found a campsite. We didn't know there were campsites out here.
All right, guys, Robert might have found a better campsite. Oh yeah, so this place has a bathroom, which we didn't know. Right there. Decision has been made, we're camping here. breakfast.
What are you cooking, chef? Camping?
It's like Iron Chef in the mountains.
Camping with cooking.
I just brought 3 mac and cheeses.
Okay, you were like shitting on me for bringing 4 boxes, and I was like,
Yeah. Aaron, can you grab my deodorant?
it's out there.
No, it's not.
Oh gosh.
The pepper.
Yeah, so this is our meal.
Pepper makes it way better. Oh yeah.
Mac and cheese and tuna, not bad.
Tuna mac.
Robert puts barbecue sauce on it.
Standing line. Gotta say. You mix some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce in with that sucker. Ooh. Pro tip. If you chew your food extra long, it tricks your brain into thinking you're fuller.
We're going to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Say goodnight.
Good night!
Robert, I don't have a choice.
Good night.
I know. I did it last night. Morning, guys. It's 10. We're about to go hike over to this waterfall over here. It's like microscopic on the camera, but you can see more stuff. Bye.
That's a cool water bottle, man.
My dumbass put a sticker right on.
I mean, it's more of a dessert, but it's really good.
Hey guys. We're heading up to that glacier over there. Waterfall. Not a glacier. Lack of oxygen is getting to me. In a shocking turn of events, my girlfriend and my best friend voted against me 2-1 for me to come get the camera after they left it.
On the edge of the rocks.
Waterfall, 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 waterfall.
Filling up.
So this is a gravity water system. Fill your bladder up. This is your microfiber filter that drains the water through it, pulls all the insects and germs and shit out, and it just comes out this end. It'll do like a liter a minute. Yeah, that's waterfall. It looks even cooler up here. Crazy. All right, and we are headed out. A little late.
Tralalelo, tralala. Tung, 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 sahur.
Bro hit a rock change and is walking back on bare feet on the rocks.
It's so cold. Oh no. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on. I can't, guys. Come on. Ah! Ah!
Oh, fuck.
This just in, the water is 47 degrees, so 15 degrees above freezing.
Hey vlog, mile 1. We just jumped in right there and it was really cold and now we're hiking back out. What else do I have to share? It's very gorgeous. Alaskan rocks and water, and there's this bird. This damn bird keeps whistling.
It's a bird of prey.
Bird of prey. And it keeps whistling and I think it's a person blowing a whistle and it's tripping me out. I feel like I'm like one of those AI videos on TikTok. Yeah, like I feel like I'm like the Yeti vlog.
Should we edit the AI Yeti into the...
Yeah, we should do that. Hello?
I told you that. That's a great idea.
That's so smart. That's gonna go so viral. Wait, we should be like, hey guys, out here with my bud Yeti. I'm showing him around Hatcher's Pass.
Bro,
It's gorgeous.
Plug your video in the chat and say like, edit an AI Yeti hiking buddy.
Yeah, we gotta.
That would be so tough.
That's awesome.
It would be like Who Framed Roger Rabbit when they first did animation.
It's so pretty. Yeah, but we jumped in and it was really cold and Robert's ass was in the way of both videos.
Only the one video. The other video is just...
But it's okay. Because I'll just take a screenshot and do a photo.
How about you compliment my ass?
And then, what was that, Robert?
You like to put your fingers in it.
I don't know why. Look at what they're doing. They're going the hard way. You guys are probably gonna have to turn around. Dumbass, man. The water is so clear. That's crazy. It's like 40 degrees, but if it was like hot, oh my God, that lazy river would go so hard. My hair's really wet from when we jumped in. Bam! Here's Henry. Rock climbing up the wall. Looking dope as hell. What?
I got lost.
I know, because men are directionally challenged.
What? This is true for me.
Okay, till mile 2. See you later. Okay, 3. Let's say mile 2. Okay.
Mile 2.
3, 2, 1. Mile 2. We made it to the waterfall. Over there.
Look over there. Oh, no more fog today.
Yeah.
Car. It's like right there.
We couldn't see shit yesterday because it was so foggy, but here we are. We made it. So we'll see you at mile 3. I think they're going swimming again.
Water feels good.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Mile 3.
Mile 3.
Here we go. We're in the valley. That's what it's looking like. We got a creek over there and some dogs. Lots of brush. Here are the guys.
Hella bugs.
Hi puppies. Hello. Yeah, we'll see you at mile 4. We're almost back.
Let's see you guys. Guys, she found more plants.
These are called bluebells. And they look like little bells. They're very cute. Don't eat them, but they're cute. I think they actually might be poisonous. We're listening to Paper Kites. We're hiking out. We have like a little less than 3/4 of a mile. And it's so sunny and beautiful. Okay, bye. Okay guys, just one more. These are called fiddlehead ferns, and they're everywhere in Alaska, and they call them that. Let me try to find one, because they fiddle up like this at the top when they're growing, and then when they're fully grown they look like that.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we made it back to the trailhead. LFG. Robert said he's gonna give me a foot massage.
What? I'll get a video on whether or not that happens.
And we're gonna go get food. But thanks for coming with us. It was so fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye.